Alright, this is the computer power supply electrolysis restoration of the Wilton 835 vise. It's filled with my alkaline solution, KOH and water. Lead baling wire is the lead from the negative, which is the cathode, the work, if you will. The anode, sheet metal, and a bucket. I'm using a 12 volt to show the, but I use the 5 volt, the red, for long periods. But the 12 volt will show the electrolysis a lot quicker for this video. So turn on the power supply and watch the bubbles. And that's electrolysis. But I'm going to turn it off and switch it back to the 5 volt source, so it'll seems to work better with the 5 volts. Got 30 amps rather than 12 volts. I can't remember the amperage at 12 volts, but works faster. It looks like it's working faster like this, but it really doesn't.